Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button to join the fam. So today's tutorial is going to be about these Hollywood waves. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to achieve this, and best believe it, this is my first time trying it also, so please ignore any error. So the first step is, as usual, we're going to be gluing down her front hairs. So I'm going to be using my Gorilla Knot Gel as usual for maximum hold and make that hairline really neat so it doesn't come out of her closure wig. Yeah. So for this tutorial, this is the unit we'll be using. It's a closure wig. I hope it comes out well. So I'm going to be using my jam as usual to tame the hair. So I just cut out these two parts, and then we're going to start working from the back. So we'll be using our curling wand. We're going to start curling now. The first step is spraying the hair. You already know this product. It's my freezing spray, Transcendent freezing spray. So I'm going to just take a little bit, like a lot, but and just spray it. That feels like a lot. And then I'm going under. While you're curling, you're going to be twisting the hair. Ooh. Sorry. Thank you. Like that. I'm going to go over this process again so you guys will get it. Just spray it a little bit. And go ahead. Yeah. This hair is thick. Really thick. You can see what I'm trying to go for, but I think I overcarried the hair, so I'm going to just reduce it and repeat that process again. But this is the effect we are going for. This it's called Hollywood wave. This wavy effect. You're going under, and while you're going over the curl wand, you're going to be twisting the hair around it. So this is what the hair looks like, and you're just going to gently comb it. And yeah, this is what the hair looks like. So I'm going to continue repeating the same process until we're done. spray. So to save time, I'm just going to be pinning them up for now. This was a really wrong move. I should have just continued combing it out while I was done curling, because by the time I was done curling all the hairs, it started becoming strong. The hairspray that I was spraying on it made it really strong. So yeah, if I were you, I would comb it out the moment I curl it and then continue to the next one, instead of curling all up before you start combing it. Do you understand? For my phone. So from the beginning I was supposed to use hair mousse on all the hair, but I didn't because I didn't want it to be too strong. But if you want to have extra hold, you're going to use it on it, but I didn't. I just wanted to use it in front. So guys, I'm going to start dropping this one after the other and slightly comb it and spray for maximum hold.
So this is the effect we're going for. As you can see, it looks like a wave. Is it a wave? It looks like a wave. So that's why it's called a beach wave, or what is it called? Hollywood wave. Sorry, that's why it's called Hollywood waves, because of this movement. So we're going to go on to continue dropping this hair and arranging it basically. So you're just going to watch what I'm doing. So I'm using the control pin to, control the hair so it has that shape, that wavy shape in front. That's why I'm using the pin. So this is what the finished look looks like. Is that English correct? Anyways, I couldn't really get a nice video, but I guess you can see what the hair looks like. I wasn't too impressed with the waves. Anyways, this is my first time trying this hairstyle, so it's to be expected. I still went ahead to use my white tooth comb to still comb it out so I can get the wavy effect, because it was curling back and I didn't want that. I wanted it to be more wavy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe guys. Share these videos for your loved ones, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.